Girl, you always solve problems, and you just never solve them, 'cause you always in drama. It's alarming, it's alarming. Girl, I just need cover.
How you doing, guys? It's Ricky here, back with another video, and today my local Harley Davidson is hosting a huge group ride to Land of Illusion in Middletown, Ohio. It's a haunted theme park. Why does this lady keep staring at me? She finally looked away. So we have a huge Harley Davidson group ride going to Land of Illusion. I go to Land of Illusion every year except last year because I missed it because of the motorcycle accident. So I'm excited to finally go back this year. They gave us fast pass tickets, very discounted fast pass tickets. So this will be a good group ride and a good night at Land of Illusion.
With me, God, don't be naive.
This ride has a police escort. I believe it was sheriffs. And they said it was the biggest turnout that they've had any year that they've done this. So there are a absolute ton of bikes out here. Biggest turnout that they've had any year, they said. Hell yeah. Fucking mobbing, boy. We are on a endless country road, and yet as far as I could see when we were on top of a hill back there, there's just bikes down the entire stretch of this road. Like, I seriously think we have a 3/4 of a mile, maybe a mile long trail of Harleys. It is absolutely fucking insane. I've got a bunch behind me too. I've got like maybe a quarter of the pack behind me. There's hundreds of bikes. This is absolutely insane.
Fuck you. Did you really think I loved you? It's like you always wanna hold you with me. God, don't be naive. I don't wanna leave, but you just can't keep me focused.
Yes, everybody's out here taking this turn wide as fuck. Woo, here we go, baby. I wouldn't call these twisties because by sport bike standards, these roads are easy. But these curvies with the boys are really doing it for me. I like it. I like it a lot. Look at it, such a pretty horsey. Such a pretty horsey. Oh, more pretty horses. Oh, God, there's so many horses. Finally pulling into Land of Illusion. Definitely took the long route. Not complaining, though. They probably didn't want to block traffic on busy main roads, so this worked out fine. Land of Illusion is always a good time. Check out Land of Illusion if you're in Midwest and you enjoy scary theme parks.